Hello, it's me, Katie, and today we're going to deep clean this tower. Before we can do that, we have to take it apart. So let's start from the top and work our way down. We're going to remove the wing nuts and the washers. I like to put those in my pockets so that way I don't lose them. I do have a tendency to do that. So, bloop, there we go, little happy dance. Now we're gonna remove the shower cap and the grow pots. Look at how gross. But that's okay, because we're gonna clean it. That's the purpose of today's video. We like to do this about once every 6 months. Leave that bottom grow pot, do not remove it. It comes attached when you order your tower, and it just makes it easier to leave it there. Right now, I am removing the wing nuts from the bottom of the rods, reaching in there. Sometimes it's easier to lift up that lid and twist the rod. And that's what it looks like. Next, we're going to remove that blue swivel hose that connects from the pump to the tower. I do have a video of how to clean your pump that's coming out. Keep an eye out for that. And as you can see, there's a lot of sediment at the bottom. That's just roots and mineral buildup, some pieces of the rock wool that have just kind of broken down over time. Basically just turns into sand. And we're gonna pour all of that out. Now, if you're in an apartment complex, you can do this in a bathtub. If you have a backyard, you can pour it out in the backyard. Now for the fun part. Citric acid. This is my favorite when it comes to cleaning the tower. You're gonna take that measuring cup that comes with your tower garden. You're going to take about 2 cups, put it in the reservoir. That's all we need. That's all we're gonna use. Now we're gonna stack those sections into the reservoir. If you have a home tower, it might be easier to do this step in a bathtub. Next, we're gonna fill it up with hot water. Do a little happy dance. Do a little happy dance. Yeah, happy dance, happy dance. Next, we're gonna let this soak for about, I don't know, a few hours. Honestly, I believe I let this soak overnight. Hey, I've got a lot of things to do and I'm pretty lazy when it comes to cleaning. So I opt to work smart, not hard. But look at how well it worked. I let it sit overnight and I'm telling you, the buildup just falls off. It dissolves. It is amazing. Now for the top piece, the lid of the reservoir, that first grow pot is attached. Leave it intact. I do not recommend removing it. Just take some of that water and give it a good scrub on the inside and on the underside. If your hands are sensitive, you might want to wear gloves for this. I did end up using a lot of hand lotion afterwards, but my skin is generally pretty tough, so it worked out. Just give everything a good rinse, let it dry off, and then you can reassemble.